Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you all are doing well. So first of all, happy winter vacations. But in these winter vacations, we have to do the winter task as well. So in this video, we'll cover the class 6 English winter task. So now moving towards the first task. So what is the first task? Write and learn the meanings of the following words. Write one sentence using each word. So you have to find the meaning and the sentences of the following words. So what are the words? These are the words. Number 1, evidence. 2, striker. 3, attention. 4, graze. 5, tread. 6, covered. 7, deter. 8, challenged. 9, humming. 10, carriage. 11, qualifier. Number 12, shouted. So now let's move to the meaning and the sentences of each word. So number 1, evidence, meaning facts that prove a belief or assertion is true. वो हकाइक जो बताते हैं कि कोई भी एक बिलीफ सही है या फिर सच्चा है. सेंटेंस, the police found strong evidence linking the suspect to the crime scene. Number 2, striker. Striker meaning a player in soccer or field hockey whose main role is to try to score goals. Sentence, the team's star striker scored a brilliant goal in the final minute of the match. 3, attention meaning the act or power of carefully thinking about. Sentence, the teacher called for the students' attention before announcing the test results. Number 4, graze meaning to eat grass in a field. किसी मैदान में घास खाने को graze कहते हैं. Sentence, the cows were quietly grazing in the meadow. Number 5, tread. Tread means step or to walk on or in something. Sentence, be careful where you tread so you don't slip on the wet floor. एहतियात से चलो कहीं तुम गीले फर्श पर गिर न जाओ. 6, coward meaning a person who lacks courage. वो इंसान जिसमें courage नहीं होती उसे हम कहते हैं coward. A coward is someone who runs away from their fears instead of facing them. Okay, so number 7, deter meaning to discourage someone from doing something. किसी को कोई काम करने से discourage करना. Sentence, the high fines are meant to deter people from littering in the park. Number 8, challenged meaning question the truth or validity of something. Sentence, the lawyer challenged the witness's testimony in court. 9, humming singing with closed lips. Sentence, the refrigerator was humming softly in the quiet kitchen. Okay, so number 10, carriage meaning a vehicle with 4 wheels drawn by 2 or more horses. Sentence, the elegant carriage rolled smoothly down the cobbled street. 11, qualifier meaning a person or team that qualifies for a competition. Sentence, she won her final match and became the top qualifier for the national tournament. 12, shouted meaning spoken or cried out in a loud, strong voice. Sentence, he shouted across the street to get his friend's attention. Okay, so now we have task 2. So what is task 2? Write a formal letter to your English teacher requesting more reading activities in class. So here is the letter to The English teacher, the smart school, Layya. So first of all, after two, you will write a comma, and then after the English teacher, you will write comma, and after the smart school, you will also write a comma. Okay, so after Layya, you will add a full stop, and after that, you will write the date, which is 21st December 2025, and after that, you will write the subject. Request for more reading activities in English class. Respected ma'am, it is respectfully submitted that the current English curriculum is very informative, but students would greatly benefit from more dedicated reading time and activities during class hours. Reading widely can significantly improve our vocabulary comprehension and overall language skills. So students make this as your first paragraph and then write the next paragraph. I would like to suggest incorporating various genres to cater to different interests such as mystery, historical fiction, and science stories. This variety would make reading more engaging and enjoyable for everyone. We could have short book club sessions or dedicated silent reading periods. In the last, you will add, "Thank you for considering this request. Yours sincerely, XYZ." Okay, so next we have task number 3. So, what is task 3? Imagine you woke up and found that you could talk to animals. Write a short paragraph. So, you imagined that one day you woke up and you were able to talk to animals, and now we have to make a paragraph on this. So, we'll make different paragraph in this. So first of all, waking up this morning felt strange. The birds outside my window were not just chirping, they were discussing the best spots for worms. My dog Max looked at me and clearly said, "Finally, I can tell you how much I hate the mailman." Okay, so next paragraph. I spent the next hour in the garden having intense conversations between squirrels about acorn herding and a grumpy cat about neighborhood politics. It was chaotic but incredibly fascinating. The world suddenly felt full of opinions and secrets I never knew existed. So this is all about the talking to animals. So now moving towards the task number 4. So what is task 4? You have to create a list of 8 practical actions you can take to improve your school or community environment. So let's start the task. Practical actions to improve your school environment. Number 1. Organize a regular litter cleanup drive. Why it helps? This directly reduces visible pollution, making the area cleaner and more pleasant. How students can follow it? Students can form a volunteer group, pick a specific day each week, for example, Friday after school, and use gloves and trash bags to collect waste around the school grounds or a local park. Number 2, start a school recycling program. How can it help? Recycling reduces the volume of waste going to landfills and conserves natural resources. How students can follow it? Place clearly labeled recycling bins for paper, plastic, and aluminum in every classroom and hallway, and ensure a system is in place for the collected material to be properly recycled. Okay, so number 3, plant a community garden or school vegetable patch. Why it helps? Gardening beautifies the space, provides fresh produce, and teaches responsibility and environmental science. How students can follow it? Students can volunteer to plant seeds, water the plants daily, weed the garden, and harvest the vegetables when they are ready. Number 4. Conserve water in school restrooms. Water conservation is crucial for managing resources and reducing utility costs. And how can you follow it? Students can ensure taps are turned off completely after use and report any dripping, faucets, or leaks to school's maintenance immediately. Number 5. Promote carpooling or walking biking to school. Why it helps this reduce traffic congestion around the school and lower carbon emissions, improving local air quality. How students can follow it? Students living near each other can coordinate carpools, or those nearby can commit to walking or biking together, promoting health and environmental benefits. Number 6. Switch off lights and computers when not in use. How it helps energy conservation lowers electricity consumption, reducing the school's carbon footprint and saving money. How can you follow it? Before leaving a classroom, students should make it a habit to check that all lights and electronic devices are turned off. 7. Create an awareness campaign about the impact of single use plastics. How it helps education is the key to changing behavior. An awareness campaign encourages people to reduce their reliance on harmful plastics. How can you follow it? Students can design posters, give presentations during assemblies, and encourage the use of reusable water bottles and lunch containers. Okay, number 8. Build bird houses or insect hotels to support local biodiversity. Why it helps? Providing habitats helps local wildlife thrive and maintain a balanced ecosystem. How is it helpful? Students can work in groups during an art or science class to build simple shelters from recycled material and place them in quiet areas of the school grounds.
Students, you also have to add some illustrations related to all these points with the point. So, when you are doing your task, please add the illustration or draw something related to the point on your registers.
Okay, so this was all about the today's lecture on English winter task. Thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to get more videos like this. Allah Hafiz.